Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Command integrated navigation system with voice activation, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Visit us online at tafelmotors.com. Call or stop in at 4156 Shelbyville Road in Louisville. A memorable experience awaits.